Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm super excited because I have some stickers to unbox. I have 3 packages from 3 different shops, and I'm super excited to share them with you guys. So let's get right into it. So the first one is from Msbizplans. So I'm super excited about this. I can't even remember what I bought, y'all, like real talk. It was just one of those. Ooh, I like that. Let's see. Oh, we have a lot. All right. So we have your receipt. All right, I'm already loving this purple. Oh, this is from my Hobonichi cousin. All right, so guys, so now that you know, I bought a Hobonichi cousin, and I haven't got it yet. It's, you know, somewhere in transition. But I wanted to try out one of the Hobonichi, you know, sticker sets. So, oh, I didn't want to like rip her tag, but whatever. So the packaging is sweet. Oh, she put your name on here. Thank you for your order. We hope you enjoy your Happy Mail. Please be sure to tag Msbizplans when sharing. And we very much appreciate your reviews on Etsy. We hope you will visit us soon. Of course, girl. I'm gonna come right on back. So she gives you her little card. Thank you for your order, and you get your 15%. Then you get some freebies. Make it happen. Namaste, girl boss. I don't know if you guys can see that. And she gives you one where it's just coffee, Happy Mail, work. These are super cute. And then she gives you another freebie. So it's like a habit tracker, bill-do sticker. These are super cute, and they're tiny because the Hobonichis are tiny. So I can't wait to review my Hobonichi and do a plan with me with these stickers. And so this, and it's only 1 sheet. Oh, nope, it's 2. I lied. Woohoo! Yeah, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm excited, and I love this purple and lavender. So this is a monthly spread for May, as you can see. So I'm super excited to try these out. You have payday down below. You have the days of the month. And then you have some more stickers down here. So these are super cute. Oh, and then you have the days of the week up here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Oh, there, because it goes like this, I'm sure. Bills due. And I just love the floral on this. This is really cute. So yeah, guys, this is from Msbizplans. I'm super excited to use these on my Hobonichi when I get them. So yeah, let's move right along. Put this right back in this cute little packaging. All right. So next we have my girl Planner by Shannon. These, I love her stickers, y'all, as you can see, because I just keep on buying them. So what do we have with her? Ooh, so we have my what is it called? I'm sorry, y'all, drawing a blank. My Passion Planner stickers. Okay, I remember now. So these are for my Passion Planner. And she gives you some freebies. Take the trash out, sweep the floor, spring cleaning freebie. I like this. So we have 3 stickers. Oh wait, no. Oh, okay, I'm here for it. This is June. This is okay, they're both monthly sets. This is June. Sorry guys, this is June, and as you guys can see, I'm really into floral. Like, that's really my thing right now, and I absolutely love it. So this is June, and look at that. I love the green. Ooh, this is super cute. And like I said, this is for my Passion Planner. So I'm excited. And then this is May. I'm definitely gonna need like tweezers to like put these dates on. So you'll definitely see a video of this, of these monthly spreads in my planner. I'll do a video about me doing a planner, a plan with me because these are super cute, and I love the fall colors even though it's not even fall. Like, that's super cute. And the gold, y'all, I'm in this. I'm for this. I'm absolutely for this. All right, so the last one that I'm also excited about. So as you guys know, I've bought from Planning by Shannon, so I'm super excited for her stuff. But I've never bought anything from Msbizplans, and I've never bought anything from this sticker company. I really don't want to mess up the. Ooh. So this is from Lavin Forest. I don't know if you guys know of her or that company, but I saw their stickers on Instagram, and I said I have to buy them because they're super awesome. So let's get right into this. Oh, these pictures just look so good. Like, I'm so excited. So you got your freebie. Thank you for buying. Got spring stickers. We have this little nope panda because that's how I feel every day, guys. Nope, not trying to do that. And then we have this weekly spread set, this full kit. Like, look how many stickers you get in this kit. Look how many stickers you get. Oh my gosh, this is what I was waiting for. These beautiful black women, Lavin Forest. Oh wow, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but just look how posh and cute they look. This style, this fashion, I'm for it. I'm so for it. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I'm excited. But this weekly spread, look at all these stickers. So you have the days of the week, and you have books, guys. I'm a nerd. If you can see my room, I have like bookshelves full of books. But this is just really cute, and look, planners. And then you have to-dos, today's, little things, weekend. And then we just have these checklist box. And I'm super in love with this theme. I just more so love the pictures, really. And then these girls, y'all, come on. Like, these girls are legit. They're so cute. Wow. I'm happy I bought this. And I think they were on sale at the time, but I don't remember the price. But thank you, Lavin Forest. I'm so in love with these. Oh my gosh. So yeah, guys, that is what we have here. We have your Lavin Forest. We have your Planning by Shannon. And we have your Msbizplans. So I'm super excited for these next couple of weeks because I'm going to use everything, guys. I'm going to use everything. But thank you guys for joining. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you get notified whenever I make a post. Once again, thank you, ladies, for these stickers, and thank you guys for watching the Rosie Planner. Hit me up on my Instagram or in the comment section, and please feel free, can't even talk, to join the Rosie Planner gang. I'm super excited for our next couple of videos, so stay tuned. Bye, guys.